Leo, can I ask you something before we start?
Of course. What's up?
Did anything funny happen to you this week? Any language moment?
Oh, yes. A very embarrassing one, actually.
Tell me everything.
Okay, so I was at a job interview on Monday.
Oh, wow. How did it go?
Well, I wanted to say I work hard, I'm reliable.
That sounds good so far.
But then I said, I always do my best effort.
And what happened?
The interviewer smiled. Not in a good way.
Because we say make an effort, not do an effort.
I found out later. I wanted to disappear into the chair.
Oh, Leo, I've been there. That exact feeling.
It was one tiny word, but it changed everything.
And that is exactly why we're here today.
Yes, welcome everyone. Today we're talking about make and do.
These two little words confuse almost every English learner.
Even advanced ones. I am proof of that.
But by the end of today, you'll have a real feel for them.
Not just rules, a real feel. That's the goal.
Let's get into it.
Okay, Sarah, start from the beginning. What is the difference?
Let's start with do. Think about your daily tasks.
Like brushing my teeth, making my bed?
Wait, you said making my bed. That's actually correct.
Really? So make works for beds?
Yes, make your bed is a set phrase. English is full of those.
Okay, so there are rules, but also exceptions.
Exactly. The rules give you a foundation. Exceptions come with time.
All right, so what's the main rule for do?
Do is for activities and tasks, things you perform or complete.
Like do the dishes, do the laundry, do your homework.
Perfect. Those are all activities, processes, things on a to-do list.
I like that. A to-do list, because the word do is right there.
Exactly. That's a clever way to remember it.
And make?
Make is for creating. Something new comes into the world.
Like make a sandwich, make a plan, make a decision.
Yes. Before you decided, the decision didn't exist. You made it.
Oh, so make is almost like building something from zero.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. Building from zero.
Okay, I like that image. Do is a process, make is a creation.
Hold that in your mind. It will help you a lot.
Now, what about tricky ones, like make or do a phone call?
We say make a phone call. You're producing the call, creating it.
But do felt right to me because it's a task.
I understand why. It feels like a task, but the call is created.
So the question is, are you creating something or completing something?
That's it. That's the real question every time.
Creating or completing? I need to write that down.
Write it, stick it somewhere visible.
Okay, what about make or do a mistake?
Make a mistake. You produce the mistake. It comes from you.
So I am the creator of my own mistakes. Lovely.
Ha! We all are. But yes, you make mistakes. You don't do them.
What if I said I did a mistake? Would people understand?
Yes, they'd understand. But it sounds unnatural to a native speaker.
Like wearing one shoe. Technically fine, but something feels off.
That's a perfect metaphor, actually. One shoe. Something's missing.
Okay, let me try some more. Make or do an exercise.
This is interesting. You can say both depending on the context.
Wait, really? Both?
Do exercise means the general activity. Working out, staying fit.
And make an exercise?
That sounds more like creating one, like a teacher making a worksheet.
Oh, so do exercise is the gym. Make an exercise is the teacher.
Exactly right. Context changes everything.
Have you ever been totally confused by a make or do situation?
Many times. My first week in England, I said, do a noise.
Do a noise. Oh no.
I was trying to say the baby was crying. I said, she's doing a noise.
And people looked at you strangely?
They smiled politely, but I could see the confusion.
Because we say make a noise. The noise is produced.
Exactly. Sounds, music, noise, you make them, you don't do them.
Make music, make a sound, make a mess.
Yes, all of those. Something is produced, something appears.
Okay, here's one I always get wrong. Make or do progress.
make progress. You're producing forward movement.
Even though progress feels like an activity?
It does feel that way. But think, progress is something you build.
You create it bit by bit, like stacking bricks.
I love that image. Stacking bricks, yes.
And listener, have you ever said the wrong one? Don't worry if you have.
Honestly, every learner does, and many native speakers mix them up too.
Really? Native speakers make this mistake.
In casual speech, yes, language is not a perfect system.
That makes me feel so much better about Monday's interview.
Good. Now let's talk about some fixed expressions. These just need to be memorized.
Fixed expressions, meaning there's no logic, just memory?
Sometimes. Make love. Nobody says do love.
No, that would be very strange.
Make sense. You can't say do sense.
That doesn't do sense. Yes, that sounds completely wrong.
And do your hair, not make your hair.
Wait, do your hair? But hair isn't on a to-do list.
It is, though. Getting ready, brushing, styling. It's a grooming task.
Oh, so do your hair fits because it's part of a routine.
Exactly. Routine tasks are very often do phrases.
Do your nails, do your makeup, do your laundry.
Yes, those are all routine personal tasks.
But make a reservation, make an appointment, make a choice.
Because in all of those, you're bringing something new into existence.
Before you called, there was no reservation. You created it.
Perfect. You're really getting the feel of it now.
I think I am. The image helps, creating versus completing.
And when you're not sure, just ask yourself that question.
Am I creating something or am I completing something?
That question will save you 80% of the time.
And the other 20%?
Those are fixed phrases. You just learn them as you go.
Like make your bed. No logic, just memory.
Exactly. And the more you read and listen in English, the more natural it feels.
I guess that's the real lesson. You have to be exposed to the language.
Exposed, good word. It means surrounded by it, immersed in it.
Like being dropped into a swimming pool. You learn to swim fast.
Yes, a bit cold at first, but effective.
Okay, let me think of one more tricky one. Make or do a deal.
Make a deal. You're creating an agreement that didn't exist.
Right, and do business?
Do business because it's an ongoing activity, a process.
So you make the deal, then you do business.
Perfect sequence. One creates, one continues.
I love that. Create, then continue. Make, then do.
That's a really elegant way to think about it.
And what about make or do friends? I always second guess that one.
Make friends. The friendship is new, you bring it into existence.
Before you met, no friendship existed. You made it.
And once they're your friends, you do things together.
Make the friendship, do the activities inside it.
Beautiful. You keep finding these patterns.
One more here. Make or do an impression.
Make an impression. You produce an effect on someone's mind.
Like my interview. I made an impression, not the one I planned.
But you made one. Next time will be different.
I'll walk in and make a brilliant impression. Watch me.
And do your best while you're at it.
Make the impression, do my best. Perfect combination. Okay, let's try a few more real-life situations. I want to test myself.
Go ahead. I love this energy.
What about make or do a speech?
Make a speech. You're producing something for an audience.
The speech didn't exist before you stood up.
Exactly. You created it and delivered it. Very much a make.
What about do a presentation? I hear that one a lot.
Both are acceptable, actually. Give a presentation is most common, though.
Oh, give is a third option?
Yes, English is generous like that. Multiple correct options sometimes.
That is generous. Or maybe just confusing.
A little of both, but don't let it discourage you.
It doesn't anymore. I've made my peace with the confusion.
Made your peace. Perfect use of make, by the way.
Oh, I didn't even think about it. It just came out naturally.
That's the goal. That's fluency, when it comes without thinking.
Okay, what about make or do research?
Do research. It's an activity, a process of searching and analyzing.
Not creating the research, performing it.
Right. You're engaged in the activity, not producing a product.
But you make a discovery because the discovery is new.
Brilliant connection. Yes, you do research and make discoveries.
So you can do both in the same sentence even.
Scientists do research and make discoveries every day.
That's a great example. Simple and clear.
Let's try one that trips up even advanced learners.
Oh, I'm a little nervous now. Go ahead.
Make or do a difference.
I want to say do because it feels active.
Understandable, but we say make a difference.
Because the difference is created. It's produced by your action.
Exactly. Before your action, no difference. After, there is one.
One person can make a difference. Classic phrase.
You've heard it many times, and now you understand why it's make.
It actually makes the phrase feel more powerful now.
Language always does that. Once you understand it, you feel it differently.
Have you ever had that feeling? Understanding a phrase for the first time?
All the time. And it never gets old. It's like a small gift each time.
A small gift. That's exactly what it feels like.
And the more gifts you collect, the more confident you become.
So every new phrase is actually a gift. I like that idea.
Think of it that way. Every correct make or do, a tiny gift to yourself.
Okay, I'm going to start unwrapping gifts more intentionally.
Ha! Perfect attitude. Now, one last group before we practice. Let's talk about feelings.
Feelings?
Make is used a lot with emotional results, things that cause feelings.
Oh, like you make me happy.
Perfect. You create happiness in someone. You make them feel something.
That makes me nervous. That makes me laugh.
Yes, all of those. You are producing an emotional response.
So make connects to results, outcomes, things that appear.
And do connects to the activity itself, the process.
Do the work. Make the result.
That might be the simplest way anyone has ever said it.
I'm going to write that on my wall, honestly.
Please do, and send us a photo.
I will. Okay, I think the listener needs a moment to breathe.
Agreed. Let's slow down a little.
Listener, we're going to give you one sentence to practice now.
Say it out loud if you can, or write it in the comments.
I'm going to try it first. What's the sentence, Sarah?
Okay, here it is. I need to do my homework, make dinner, and make a phone call.
All right. I need to do my homework, make dinner, and do a phone call.
Almost perfect. Just one small fix. The phone call.
Oh, right. Make a phone call. You create the call.
Exactly. Try it again.
I need to do my homework, make dinner, and make a phone call.
That's it. Absolutely perfect.
Listener, your turn now. Say it out loud, right now, wherever you are.
Say it 3 times if you can. Repetition builds the instinct.
And drop it in the comments. We read every single one.
We really do. It makes our day when we see your practice sentences.
Okay, time for the word tour. 5 words from today.
Let's go. First word, duty.
Duty. Is that like an obligation? Something you have to do?
Exactly. A duty is a serious responsibility, something expected of you.
Like, it is my duty to call my parents every Sunday.
Perfect. Very natural sentence.
Next,
Instinct.
the automatic feeling, when something just feels right.
Yes, instinct is knowledge that comes without conscious thinking.
Trust your instinct when you're not sure about make or do.
Excellent. Okay, expose.
Oh, to be exposed means to be surrounded by something.
Yes, to experience something regularly, to be in contact with it.
The best way to learn English is to expose yourself to it daily.
Very good. Now, foundation.
Foundation, like the base of a building.
Exactly. In language, your foundation is the basic understanding you build on.
The rule about creating versus completing gives you a strong foundation.
Beautiful. Last word, elegant.
Elegant, like stylish, smooth, and simple?
Yes, when something is elegant, it's simple and clever at the same time.
Make, then do. Create, then continue. That's an elegant way to think about it.
Perfect. And you used it naturally. That's the goal.
Okay, honest moment.
How do I feel after today?
Tell us.
I feel like I've been carrying the wrong map for years. And now? Now I have a better one. Creating versus completing. That changes things.
That's the thought I want to leave with everyone today.
What's that?
Make and do are not just grammar rules. They reflect how we see the world.
Creating something new or completing something that exists.
Two different energies. And now you can feel the difference.
If you enjoyed today, and I hope you did, please subscribe.
One click and you'll never miss an episode. It truly helps us.
And go make something great today, whatever it is.
And do it well. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.